I'm Connie from Skills of the Modern Age. Part of our commitment to creating lifelong learners is providing you with a curated collection of our favourite innovation tools, canvases and facilitation guides. With this new series, we'll be exploring some of our most popular canvases, seeing where they fit into the design process and showing you how you can turn your design thinking into design doing with our resources. Each of our videos will be categorised by the different stages in the design process, and as well as learning about each canvas, we'll be filling them out together with real-world examples. So if you're brand new to design or you're a design nerd, these videos are here to help you. Feel free to get in touch with us if you need any further assistance or resources. This is our persona canvas. It is one of our most popular canvases and is used in the empathy stage of the design process. We use the persona canvas to create a realistic representation of who we are designing our solution for. You can create your persona to be an intended audience that you've never designed for before, or you can model your persona on a key customer that you want to have at the core of what you do. Also, don't think that you have to limit yourself to just using the persona canvas for people. Your persona canvas can be used for companies, institutions, or even groups. We'll start filling out our persona canvas by doing the demographics section. This section contains the key demographics for the persona and includes the name, age, occupation, and location of the persona. If these demographics don't really fit your persona because you're basing it off a company or a group, then that's okay. You can just cross out the demographics and write ones that are better suited to your persona. Next is the short bio. This section is where you write a little bit about your persona. This should be a summary of who they are and why they are important to consider in your design. Try and keep the bio short and sweet, like a tweet. The next and most important part of the canvas is to fill out the informational quadrants. The top priorities quadrant of the canvas refers to the persona's top priorities, generally speaking, and not in relation to the problem that we're trying to solve. So for the generous boss persona that we're using in this example, her top priorities are meeting KPIs, keeping up to date with the happenings at her company, and making sure that her clients are happy. The other three quadrants should all be filled out specifically within the context of the problem that you're trying to solve. So for the generous boss who's treating her workers to lunch, her feelings and emotions, goals and motivations, and concerns and challenges are all related to the problem of taking her employees out to lunch. Finally, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so if you're feeling brave or you fancy yourself as a bit of an artist, have a go at giving your persona a look and a feel.